The most important thing in my activity is a judgment. I made a judgment to the men. We have three characters. It's like a play. We have three characters: the angry air, the sad tree, and the sad drop of water. They sent to the court and they complained to the judge for what the man has done to them. They said all what they suffer from. And then the judge gave a chance to the man to defend himself. And at the end, they said that the man is guilty and he should sent to the prison, but before he should repair all what he have damaged. And my student began to repair what the man damaged, like they plant some seeds in the garden, and also they try to repair the taps, the drip taps in our school. This is the first part of our activity. Also, the students have some slogans, and they come around the school and stick this slogan on the wall to let the other students be aware of this problem. Also, we have some of my activities. They have some smiles that students do, and we have some pictures and some slogans. The student raise one. If it's good, the student raise the smile face. If it's bad, the student raise the sad face.